Happy morning, children. Today, before we could start our class, let us recall 2 questions and answers. Okay? Yes. Be ready. Answer my question, children. First one. Who has fat leaves? Who has fat leaves? Yes, you're right. Very good, children. Cactus. Cactus. Tell me in sentence. The cactus has fat leaves. The cactus has fat leaves. Very good, children. Very good. Second one. What are you good at? What are you good at? Tell me, children. Yes, very good. Some are good at dancing, some are good at singing, some are good at writing, drawing. Very good, very good. Tell me in full sentence, children. How you have to tell? Yes, I am good at dancing. I am good at singing. I am good at drawing. Very good, very good, very good. In today's class, we are going to see look and say and word wall from my garden lesson. Okay, shall we see it? Yes, children. Look and say. Parrot. Parrot. In Tamil, kili. Kili. Next, sunflower. Sunflower. In Tamil, Suriyagandhi. Suriyagandhi. Next, eagle. Eagle. In Tamil, Kalugu. Kalugu. Next, rose. Rose. In Tamil, Roja. Roja. Next one, marigold. Marigold. In Tamil, Samandi. Samandi. Next, quill. Quill. In Tamil, Kadai. Kadai. Tulip. Tulip. In Tamil, tulip. Tulip. Lily. Lily. In Tamil, lily. Next, duck. Duck. In Tamil, vaathu. Vaathu. Lotus. Lotus. In Tamil, Tamarai. Tamarai. Crane. Crane. In Tamil, Kokku. Kokku. Next, sparrow. Sparrow. Kuruvi. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Chembarutti. Chembarutti. Pigeon. Pigeon. Pura. Pura. Crow. Crow. Kagam. Kagam. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. In Tamil, Maram Kotti. Maram Kotti. Jasmine. Jasmine. Malligai. Malligai. Peacock. Peacock. In Tamil, Mail. Mail. Aster. Aster. In Tamil, Samandi Vagaipu. Samandi Vagaipu. Next, hummingbird. Hummingbird. In Tamil, ஓசனிச்சிட்டு. ஓசனிச்சிட்டு சிறிய பறவை. Last one, daisy. Daisy. In Tamil also, daisy. Word wall, rose. Rose. Roja. R-O-S-E. Rose. Jasmine. Jasmine. மல்லிகை. மல்லிகை. J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine. Daisy. Daisy. In Tamil, daisy. D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. Sunflower. Sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Suryagandhi. Suryagandhi. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Chambaruthi. Chambaruthi. Cactus. Cactus. C-A-C-T-U-S. Cactus. கள்ளிச்செடி. கள்ளிச்செடி. Parrot. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. கிளி. கிளி. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. காகம். காகம். Hen. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. கோழி. கோழி. Eagle. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. கழுகு. கழுகு. Duck. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. வாத்து. வாத்து. Cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O. Cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O. Cuckoo. In Tamil, குயில். குயில். Last one, owl. Owl. O-W-L. O-W-L. Owl. Shall we read from the beginning? Word wall. Rose. Jasmine. Daisy. Sunflower. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Cactus. Cactus. Parrot. Parrot. Crow. Crow. Hen. Hen. Eagle. Eagle. Duck. Duck. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Owl. Owl. Name of the birds. Name of the birds. Children, repeat after me. First one, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Second one, crow. crow, 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 crow. Third one, eagle, 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 eagle. Fourth one, duck, 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 duck. Fifth one, cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Sixth one, owl, 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 owl. Seventh one, peacock, 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 peacock. Children, repeat again. Name of the birds. Name of the birds. Parrot, crow, eagle, duck, cuckoo, owl, peacock. Children, write all these words in your notebook twice. You have to write 2 times in your notebook. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.